Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see on your iPhone problem, Wi-Fi, no internet connection. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings, first thing you need to open your Wi-Fi and just try to turn it off, wait for a second, and just turn on again. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so mostly it helps. And another thing you can try to tap on your network and just forget this network and just reconnect to this network again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.